Good day, sir, madam. My name is Robina Alugus Kapaway, Filipino. My religion is Christian. I'm single. I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the 5th in the family. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education. About my working experience, I work as a household worker here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing, and ironing clothes. I can cook also some Filipino dishes like adobo chicken and sinigang. But I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes, and I also love taking care of children. I will give them nutritious food and vitamins on time, bathing them every day, play with them, love them as my own family. Sir, madam, I am a responsible person, honest, hardworking, and trustworthy. Sir, madam, please don't hire me. I will promise I will do my duties and responsibilities very well, and I will finish my contract for 2 years. Thank you, sir, madam.